In this live demo, we'll show you exactly how to integrate an AI assistant with your BigCommerce store. You'll see it in action, answering visitor questions in real time directly from your website's content, all without any complex coding. This feature helps solve customer questions in real time, reducing cart abandonment and improving satisfaction. Let's see how real customer questions receive accurate, real-time answers without any pre-written scripts. This chat bubble is the gateway to your expert AI assistant. Let's access it. Now that we've initiated the process, let's explore the fundamental question many businesses have. How can AI truly be integrated into their BigCommerce operations to unlock new levels of efficiency and customer engagement? Let's see how it responded. Setup takes about 5 minutes. Sign up for an Asyntai account and copy your unique JavaScript snippet. Then, paste this into your BigCommerce theme, typically before the closing body tag. It's a simple, no-code process that won't slow down your site. With numerous AI solutions emerging, it's natural to wonder which specific BigCommerce AI offering is ideally suited to your unique business needs and goals for optimal performance. Here's what the AI provided. Finding the right Asyntai plan is easy and tailored to your store. We offer everything from a free tier for small sites to robust enterprise solutions. Simply consider your monthly traffic and desired features. Use our quick plan calculator to find your perfect fit today. As we scroll, the AI chat remains accessible, providing continuous customer engagement. Beyond just integration, a crucial consideration is the tangible impact. So let's delve into how a well-implemented AI chatbot can directly contribute to the success of your BigCommerce store. This is its live answer. Yes, you can boost conversions by engaging visitors instantly and guiding them. Offer 24/7 support, handling repetitive questions with ease. This always-on assistant knows your products and reduces cart abandonment, all while providing valuable insights. Understanding the practicalities of implementation is key. We need to clarify the technical aspects. Specifically, how do BigCommerce AI solutions actually establish a connection and begin functioning? We can check the reply now. Setup takes about 5 minutes. You sign up at Asyntai, then get a simple JavaScript snippet. Just add that snippet to your BigCommerce theme's main template file. This universal method works across all platforms and won't slow your site down. Every response you've seen here originates directly from your own website's content. For many businesses, budget is a significant factor. Therefore, a key question we often get is regarding the cost. Specifically, is Asyntai a cost-effective solution, or is it free for BigCommerce users? See the answer it gave? Great news! Asyntai offers a free plan specifically for your BigCommerce store. This plan provides 100 messages monthly, supports one website with up to 50 crawled pages, and allows for various content uploads. You even get one dashboard seat to get started building your AI chatbot today. As you saw, adding an AI assistant is straightforward. You can try this powerful AI chatbot for free at asyntai.com with no credit card required to get started.